In 1969, humanity took one giant leap, landing on the moon. But more than 50 years later, we're still not much farther from home. So here's the big question. How far can humans really travel in space? And what's stopping us from going farther? Let's start with what we've already done. The farthest humans have ever gone is the moon, about 384,000 kilometers from Earth. That was during the Apollo missions, and the last one was in 1972. Since then, we've only gone as far as low Earth orbit, mostly to the International Space Station. But if we look beyond human travel, the farthest man-made object is Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, it has traveled more than 24.9 billion kilometers. That's over 165 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun, about 0.026 light years. But it's still in our galactic backyard. And Voyager isn't carrying people, just messages, instruments, and hope. So why haven't we gone farther with humans? The answer? Because deep space is not just far and it's deadly. Once you leave Earth's magnetic field, you're exposed to intense cosmic radiation. No natural shielding, no atmosphere, just raw exposure. Over time, this can damage the body, increase cancer risk, and even affect brain function. Then there's the issue of distance and time. A mission to Mars, just one planet over, takes about 7 to 9 months each way. During that time, you need food, water, oxygen, and a way to deal with zero gravity. That's not even counting emergencies, mental health, or technical failures. And remember, Mars is still inside our solar system. So how do we plan to go further? NASA's Artemis program is aiming to return humans to the moon, this time to stay. From there, the next step is Mars. SpaceX is designing its Starship rocket specifically to carry people to other planets. Elon Musk believes humans should become a multi-planet species. He's aiming for a human presence on Mars in the 2030s. It sounds ambitious, but also possible. Mars is about 225 million kilometers from Earth. Reaching it and surviving there will be the most extreme thing humans have ever attempted. And if we can do that, it opens the door to the rest of the solar system. Moons of Jupiter, bases on asteroids, even missions to Saturn's moons like Titan. But what about going outside our solar system? The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away. At our current speeds, it would take a human spacecraft over 75,000 years to reach it. That's longer than all of recorded human history. We'd need a completely different kind of propulsion, like nuclear fusion antimatter drives or maybe even light sails powered by lasers. Some scientists are exploring theoretical concepts like warp drives, compressing space itself to allow faster-than-light travel. But right now, it's still science fiction. There's also another angle. Instead of sending humans, what if we send human consciousness? Digital avatars, uploaded minds, AI explorers. Could we someday beam our intelligence across space, faster than our bodies ever could? So how far can we go? With our current technology, humans can reach the moon and maybe Mars in the coming decades. With the right advances, we could travel the solar system. And with the breakthroughs that today seem impossible, we might one day reach the stars. But space doesn't just test our science. It tests our courage, our creativity, and our patience. Because in the end, the real question isn't how far we can go. It's how far we're willing to go. And maybe the journey has only just begun.